1 cup yogurt, 2 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, a half tablespoon salt, a half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix well. $750-gram boneless chicken. Mix well. Marinate for 30 minutes. A half cup cooking oil. 2 medium-sized onion chopped. Cook on medium flame until golden brown. Add marinated chicken. One cup tomato paste. Cover and cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. A half teaspoon allspice powder. A half tablespoon dried fenugreek leaves. 1 pack fresh cream. Mix well. Cook for 3 minutes.